Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Competition in the design industry can be tough and it can be disheartening when you don't get selected for a project. But fret not. In this video, I will provide you with practical advice that will make it much easier for you to distinguish yourself from other designers. We will discuss several methods and strategies for creating unique work that surpasses that of 99% of designers. But first, subscribe to my channel, I have a lot of useful videos. Let's begin. The first tip I'll give you in this video, which many designers forget about, is to thoroughly search the target audience and the users before starting a project. To create a successful design, it is important to follow user-centered design principles and have a deep understanding of the needs and preferences of the target audience. This can be achieved by conducting thorough user research and developing detailed user personas. By immersing yourself in the world of users, you will gain valuable insights to make informed design decisions. Understanding their motivations, behaviors, and pain points will enable you to create designs that resonate with them, resulting in a more meaningful and engaging user experience. Remember user journey maps, which visualizes interactions and experiences at different touchpoints. Additionally, focus on collecting feedback from users through usability testing surveys or feedback forms. This feedback provides valuable insights, helping to identify areas for improvement and guide design iterations. The second important point I discuss in almost every video is mastering the fundamentals. It is crucial to have understanding of key principles such as layout, typography, color theory, or visual hierarchy. If you have already mastered the fundamentals and know various techniques and solutions, that's great. However, theory is essential and cannot be overlooked. You must be able to explain your design solutions to clients and identify and correct mistakes both in your own work and in others. In the competitive design industry, mastering the fundamentals sets you apart from other designers. It showcases your expertise and attention to detail, making your work stand out. A strong foundation in the fundamentals gives you a confidence in approaching design challenges and making informed decisions based on best practices. Clients and employers highly value designers who have a strong grasp of the fundamentals. They trust these designers to deliver high-quality designs that meet user needs. While design trends and technologies may evolve, the fundamentals remain constant. By mastering the fundamentals, you develop a flexible skill set that can adapt to changing design landscapes. Whenever it involves designing for new platforms, exploring emerging iteration patterns, or incorporating the latest design trends, a solid foundation in the fundamentals allows you to embrace new challenges and stay relevant in a rapidly evolving field. By investing time and effort into mastering the fundamentals, you establish a solid foundation for your design career and set yourself up for a long-term success. Third aspect I want to discuss in this video is the importance of ensuring that everyone becomes equally familiar with the design you create. This is referred to as prioritizing accessibility. Accessibility is a crucial aspect of UI design that prioritizes inclusivity and ensures that interfaces are accessible to users with disabilities. By prioritizing accessibility, you can create interfaces that are usable by a wide range of users, regardless of their abilities. One aspect of accessibility is ensuring proper colored contrast. This means using colors that have sufficient contrast to ensure that text, icons, and other interface elements are easily distinguishable. Proper color contrast is particularly important for users with visual impairments or color blindness, as it allows them to perceive and interact with the interface effectively. Designers should also strive to create interfaces that are perceivable, operable, and understandable. This includes providing alternative for audio or video content, ensuring that interactive elements have a sufficient size and spacing, and using clear clear and concise language in interface text. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that users with different abilities can fully engage with and understand the interface. Remember that accessibility is an ongoing process that requires continuous testing, feedback, and improvement. By involving users with disabilities in the design process and seeking their input, you can future enhance the accessibility of your interfaces and create designs that truly cater to everyone's needs. Collaborating effectively is a perfect strategy for your development, especially if you work in a team. In order to ensure successful UI design, it's crucial to foster the collaborative environment, especially in team settings. By working together as a team, you can tap into the collective creativity and expertise to each member, resulting in exceptional designs. One effective technique is to conduct regular reviews, where team members can provide valuable insights and suggestions for improvement. This not only allows for constructive feedback but also encourages open discussion and brainstorming sessions. Additionally, utilizing design system or style guides can streamline the collaborative process by providing a common framework for design elements and ensuring consistency across different projects. By implementing these collaborative techniques, you can maximize the potential of your team and create truly impactful UI designs. We've talked about various topics today, but I have one more question for you. Are you attentive and demanding when it comes to your projects? If not, it's important to immediate improvements. Paying attention to details is crucial in UI design, as it can greatly enhance the overall user experience. Every small detail, from micro interactions to smooth transitions, contributes to the overall polish and professionalism of the design. Micro interactions are subtle, contained moments within an interface that provide feedback or guide the user. This can include animations when the button is clicked, a notification that appears when a message is sent, or a progress indicator when a file is being uploaded. By carefully designing and implementing these micro interactions, you can create a more engaging and delightful user experience. Smooth transitions between different states or screens in the interface also contribute to a seamless and intuitive user experience. When elements smoothly move or fade in and out, it gives the impression of well-crafted and cohesive design. These transitions can help users understand the spatial relationships between different elements and improve the overall flow of the interface. In addition to micro interactions and transitions, attention to other details such as spacing, alignment, and typography can greatly impact the user experience. Consistent spacing and alignment create a sense of visual order and harmony, making it easier for users to scan and understand the interface. Thoughtful typography choices, including font size, line heights, and legibility, contribute to the readability and accessibility of the content. By focusing on these small yet significant elements, you can set yourself apart from your competitors and truly engage users with your exceptional design. In the rapidly changing world of UI design, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest trends and developments. By keeping yourself up to date, you can ensure that your design remains fresh and innovative. Remember, staying updated with trends is not just about following the crowd, but rather about understanding the evolving needs and preferences of your target audience and adapting your design accordingly. So make it a priority to stay updated with design community, attend conferences and workshops, read industry blogs, and engage in continuous learning to keep your design skills sharp and you work at the forefront of the industry. In addition to staying updated with trends, it is also important to incorporate them thoughtfully into your designs. Trends can provide inspiration and serve as a starting point for creating innovative interfaces, but they should not dictate your design decisions. Consider how you can adapt and customize trends to fit the unique needs of your project and target audience. By combining your own creative ideas with current trends, you can create designs that are both visually appealing and functional. By following these strategies, you can elevate your design skills and surpass the capabilities of 99% of UI designers. Remember to practice regularly, seek feedback, and continuously refine your designs. The journey to becoming an exceptional UI designer requires dedication and perseverance, but the rewards are worth it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other designers. See you in the next video.